I just want you to get a good look at how awesome the seasoning looks. It's not all powdery. There's beautiful chunks of seasoning in this. This is a review of Big Poppas Sweet Money Seasoning. The brand sent this to us so that we can test and do a review. And I am so glad that they did because this smells amazing. This has sugar and honey blend powder with cane sugar and honey, dehydrated garlic, onion, bell pepper, spices, including chili pepper, paprika, celery seed, lemon peel, and lemon oil. And today we are going to be using it on chicken. Just make sure you generously apply the seasoning to your meat and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to melt into the meat.